بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والعاديات ضبحا فالموريات قدحا فالمغيرات صبحا فأثرن به نقعا فوسطن به جمعا إن الإنسان لربه لكنود وإنه على ذلك لشهيد وإنه لحب الخير لشديد أفلا يعلم إذا بعثر ما في القبور وحصل ما في الصدور إن ربهم بهم يومئذ لخبير.
Surah Al-Adiyat. In the name of God, the most gracious, the ever merciful. Gasping, galloping horses bear witness, then striking fire with their hooves, then raiding at dawn, then blazing a trail of dust in it, and with it, penetrating into a throne. That this man living in the peaceful surroundings of the Baytullah is certainly very ungrateful to his Lord. In reality, to this attitude of his, he himself is a witness, and in fact, intense is he in the love of wealth. Then is he not aware when the graves are laid open, and whatever is in the chests is taken out from them? Indeed, their Lord on that day shall be well aware of them.